In this presentation, I will teach you how you can form option strategy using the cycle theory. So this is one of the best concept of forming the option strategy. So option strategy, whenever you form with the help of cycle theory, it helps a lot, and you can able to make good money out of that. So for that, you require couple of informations. You require the annual volatility. If it is a real-time annual volatility, it is better. And you require what is the monthly low or monthly high that counter has made. So I have taken the example of TCS. For the August future, I have gone for the monthly data. So this is the TCS currently trading at 2496 August data. I have taken past 12-month data. Whenever you are going to form the strategy, that time itself you take the estimation, because you are going to hold that strategy, so your reference may be different. So for pertaining to today on 3rd August, if I take trailing 1 month data, it is telling 2337.75. We will round it to 2338. It is 7th July it has formed. And one high also it has formed on 27th July. So using these two values, we will be taking the cycle theory. So I have just written that 7th July you have formed the low, monthly low, and average annual volatility real-time estimate 17%. So based on this data, using the one standard deviation cycle, weekly cycle we will be forming. So weekly cycle, I'll be just going on simulating each cycle. So 2, 3, 3, 8 I have taken. So this is my first cycle. Some 2426.85 it is ending. So first cycle uptrends are ending at 2427. Downtrends are 2249. So now beyond that uptrend, because post that the prices have moved up. So currently it is at a level. So current price is very important for me. I just want to understand the cycle. So first cycle uptrend is completed at 2427. I'll again take 2427 and get the second cycle completion point. Second cycle completed at 2519.23, so I'll take as 2519. So this is my third cycle. So it has maximum till 2615, minimum till 2423, and currently the price is trading at 2496. And post 7th July, high and low little will expect. So 27th July we created a high 2599.8. So third cycle's last but one target we have achieved till this point. 2592 we have calculated, 2560 point we have gone. From there we have retraced back. So between 7th July to 27th July, whatever the things happened, it is not important for me. Beyond that, I will be thinking, because currently I am at the 3rd August. So from 28th to 2nd August, this is the price points I am getting. Highs, if I will take, it is 2529 is the high. Lows, if I will just consider, I have gone till 2453 or 54. So I am getting two values. Once again I will repeat, 2529 and 2454. So 2529, this is the high post 27th July, and 2454. So this is the values I got. So these two values I will be comparing with my third cycle reference point. So here till 2454 I am coming to this point, 1.236 retracement level it has come in the third cycle. Post achieving that target of 2599, it has retraced back and come down to the third cycle, and that too also 0.888 retracement below. From there it has moved up, and sometime it has made a 2529. This is not in the uptrend also, neither it has not gone to the uptrend. So I conclude, in the downtrend cycle of the third cycle, in third cycle downtrend price points In this zone only currently the stock is moving. So this is my assessment. So it is purely in the downtrend. As long as it is below 2533, I'll be considering it is a downtrend. Preferably I can wait for 2542 to cross over, 2542 level to cross over to change my view towards the uptrend, or else the counter is in the downtrend. So currently it is at 2496 level. So this is the level it is currently trading. Now also it has fallen down to 24990 level. So today, if I take on the 3rd August data also, it has made a high of 25004. So it has not gone to the uptrend level. So in this downtrend level, 3rd cycle downtrend, 3 cycles of uptrend it has completed. On the 3rd cycle downtrend levels only it is oscillating. If it completes this one, then it can move to the 2nd cycle of downtrend, and if it completes, it may move to the 1st cycle of downtrend. So normally once the stock gives it 3 cycles of uptrend, it never surrender all gain and give you in the downtrend. That normally never happens. However, other data we need to look into for identifying a correct trend. So for that I am just going for the open interest analysis of the future. So future, what kind of open interest it has given? If I see all the trailing data post 27th July, it is the expiry. So I am thinking that I am seeing that there is a 53 lakhs here, 54 lakhs here. So that is the open interest is not falling drastically. Same time it is not increasing also in a great way. It is not increasing in a great way. It is just consolidating. Only few hundreds or thousands of open interest is being created. So here 53 lakhs, 53.61, it has gone to some 40,000 open interest is being created. Here very less. So you can say only 9,000 open interest is being created. So this you can say 2nd August this 75,000 of open interest is created. So slightly it is increasing the open interest, rise in the open interest with a fall in the price. So prices from post 27th July, prices have fallen. The rise in the open interest is rising and fall in the price. So this says that the trend is down, rise in the open interest with fall in the price. So this says that it is the rise indicates this is a trend is down. So the counter is in the down. So this is the downtrend condition we have concluded. Then we will go to the option data and get some information from there. So option data, once I am focusing, I am getting the 2600 call option highest open interest, so it will act as a resistance. 2550 call option next to that, second highest open interest, this also will act as a resistance. Coming back to the support side, 2400 having the highest open interest, so this may act as a support for this, and second highest is coming to the 2500, so this is also going to act as a support. So this is the support and resistance analysis. However, the open interest, total open interest of this options, if I will count, only hardly some 10 lakhs contract in the call option, 3 lakhs in the put option. So this is very negligible as compared to the future. So future is having a near to 55 lakhs open interest. Out of this, hardly some 10 lakhs contract is being hedged. Here some 3 lakhs contract is being hedged. So buyers only hedged 3 lakhs contract, sellers hedged near to 10 lakhs contract. So this is the conclusion I am getting. So now based on this, I'll be doing the coming 10 days trend analysis using the 1 standard deviation. Same reference price I will take 2519, 17% of this real-time volatility, and the same level, the levels what I am getting here, this levels I will stick to. So my view is, as per this 3rd cycle view, Whenever the price move above 2542, trend will be changing. I'll change my view towards the uptrend. As long as it is below this, I'll be in the downtrend, and downtrend I am expecting 2423 level to come. So this is the level to come. So based on this anticipation, what are the strategies we can take? So while forming the option strategy, I can think of buying 2500 put option at 57, selling a 2400 put option one lot at 20, maximum loss 9250, profit 15750. This is the theoretical estimate. So if you have the option strategy software of ours, you can able to simulate the strategy and get the real-time estimate of that. I can form a covered put strategy also. I can sell 2450 put option at 35, sell the future at 2496 level, and buy a 2550 call option at 35. 2550, why I am choosing? My trend is changing at 2542 level. So for that reason only nearest option I am taking. So this is also I can form. And if the trend changes here, once it is changing above 2542, I can book the loss and come out. If trend continues till 2423, I will be at a profit and I will book the profit and come out. So this is how for the covered put. And if you want that it is in a consolidation market, because that great change of open interest we are not seeing, hardly some 0.5%, 1% of open interest, then you can think of selling a 2500 call option and put option at 53, 56 currently, and buy 2400 and 2600 call option at 20 and 20. So you will get a credit of 109 point. You will be getting a debit of 40. So 60 points of time value you can take. If the price consolidate in 2565 to 2483, 2565 to 2483. So or you can say that 2556 to 2483, this level, if it is consolidated for the coming 10 days, you will be at a profit. If it is manages to close below 2473, then downtrends will be dominating. If it manages to close above 2565, the uptrend will be continuing. So look at these two levels of 2565 or 2472. If either of these levels are giving breakout, then you come out of this particular range bound strategy. So you have a covered put strategy towards the bear market expectation. You can form a simple bear spread with the bear market expectation. You can also form a consolidation market expectation. If the consolidation view changes, then you can alter your strategy. So this is how you should form a strategy based on the cycles theory. So you have three cycles you have studied, how the uptrend cycle moved, how the downtrend cycle moved. Post that you have started forming this strategy. Same way, you can form many different strategies and different counters. So if you can go for the Axis Bank, the stocks which has given a great correction post its result. So you can say if I am going for 1 month data, so this is the 2550 is the highest level I have got. To 506.7 I got the lowest, 550.4 I got the highest. So from this 550 point, if I can go on checking these levels, considering this is also same 14 to 15%, around 12% of real-time volatility it comes. So 550, if I take my first cycle of downtrend completes at 535. So again, if I take 535, my second cycle of downtrend completes at 520. So if I take 520, I can get my third cycle which is completing at 506. So you can say compare here, you can 508 level you have come here. So 506 level, it is third cycle. So completes. So whatever the journey it has started from 7th July to 25th July, everything it has retraced back. So everything it has retraced back. So you can say that now you are in this particular level. So if I can just take that 506, 506 as my base and calculate. And currently you are at 510 level. So you may expect till 519 or 20 in the post third cycle. So if it is falling below 503, then you can think of a downtrend. Currently it is at 510 level. So it is currently at an uptrend. So based on this view also you can form some strategies. So this cycle theory, the three cycles trend analysis, taken the reference from the monthly low or monthly high, guides you a lot to form the option strategy. In that process, you may not be much bothered about the delta, gamma, theta and other Greeks of option. However, you will be making a decent profit in this case. So to learn the entire option concept, Smart Finance have different stuffs here. We have a option course, so where you get a formulated option course to understand the instrument, to train yourself, and same time you will be knowing that how to analyze and how to implement the option strategy. So this course comes with a cost of 3,000. And if you wish to take this particular course along with the real-time software, so this comes with a price of 10,500. And if you wish to be a trader for long term, then you can opt for our full package course, which costs 17,500. However, couple of days we have given an offer for this festive season, so 15,500 offer we have given for this. You can opt for that. For any details on this particular products, you can call to our sales number. The simplest investment you can do to learn your option concept is we have a excellent book on options, wherein we have analyzed many different strategies with the Indian stock examples, which you can obtain from our website. So this book explains about lot of option strategy and analysis of the option strategy. So implement this particular option strategy of TCS for the coming 10 days based on this particular analysis and experience how it protects your money, same time how it rewards you the profit. Then only you can experience the benefits of option strategy trading. If you like this video, then share with your friends, share in your social media. And if you want that this kind of strategy should land to your email box, please feel free to register in our website so that we will be having your information and we will be sending this strategy to your email box. Visit our Facebook, Twitter and YouTube links to learn many other strategies.